Adenya on YouTube, the YouTube Adenya GH. Taibela be me about to Dr. Asiama, Reverend, the School of Performing Arts, University of Ghana, Lagos. I want to show symbols which is apart from Jinyami that we all know, which other symbols are there that we can incorporate in Christianity? Okay, we know Jinyami symbolize or Mawuko or except God. But apart from the Jinyami symbols, which other symbols, African symbols, can we see its significance in the Christian religion?
And my interest in the arts, particularly performing arts, got started at the training college level at the African College of Education. In 76 to 79, I was at the African Training College, where teaching practice, or as a teacher, you have to go and teach at least for a number of weeks. If a child is being taught and is tense, you take him out of the classroom, or the child out of the classroom, bring them under the tree, and then make a circle, big circle. And then you see that the children are happier, animated, and open. So when I started reading educational books, psychology books, and then people like Jean Piaget, Montessori, Pestalozzi, and many others were saying play-way method is a better approach to teach a child or an individual, even an adult. I agreed with them. So I realized that creating a play with children is a process. And the training college gave me that exposure. And then at the training college I met some of my tutors who also had finished the School of Performing Arts and were now teaching at the training college English and Twi and Ghanaian languages. They were using different methods like the play-way method, make-believe method, improvisation, and because they used that, we were much more happy and we could understand them better. So when I had the opportunity to do my teaching practice, apart from teaching aid, which you draw something and illustrate, I was also using the improvisational approach, using the drama. And when I came to the School of Performing Arts, I saw that drama is a play approach, and so I studied it for 3 years. Then after the 3 years, I went to this. I felt being called to join the ministry, so I went to Trinity Seminary across the road. These were the searching stages of my youth. I came to find out what the African culture is all about at the School of Performing Arts. Then, as a child of a minister, the monks, I was trying to deduce whether God will accept the African culture anywhere, because most often everything about Africa was like devil. There are good things. So I went to the Trinity College to see what Christians also uphold at the Trinity College. If God speaks, to whom does God speak, and through and how will God speak to us? And has God the love for the African at all? Will God reject the African or accept the African? These were some principal questions behind my search. So at the Trinity College, I realized that the Methodism, Presbyterianism, Anglicanism, Zionism, Evangelicalism, all the isms in the Christian sectors were pointing to the fact that there is a God Just as the African traditional religion and African culture also points to the Father, there is God. But the question is, which type of God?
Which type of God?
Finally, I had to find ways and means to bring together the African spirituality and Christian spirituality. And I realized that the African spirituality and Christian spirituality all point to God.